Welcome back. You know, Klein Tools has been putting out high-quality products since 1857. Today, they continue that long-standing tradition with some of the best tools on the market and by expanding their product line. I caught up with Greg Palese to hear about their new build-your-own tool storage, the Modbox.
Now it's time for Hot for Your House.
When it comes to tools, there's one brand that's been around for a long, long time, and that is Klein Tools. And we've got Greg here, and we're going to have some fun today. Welcome to Around the House Northwest.
Hey, thanks for having us here today. We really appreciate it.
Man, you guys are legendary out there in the tradespeople and now homeowners as well. What are we talking about today?
One of the things that we launched this year, which has been great, really flying off the shelves, people have loved it, is our new Modbox mobile tool storage system. Now, I don't know if it's like you guys, I have one of those big tool chests in my garage, but sometimes I got to go do work somewhere outside my garage, maybe in the backyard, I got to go to the shed, and I'm always trying to carry all these tools, right? Well, now we've got this mobile Modbox system here. It's a three-piece, so you start out with really like a three-piece interlocking set there. We got the large, the medium, and the small, and then from there, you can start to customize things and add on to it.
Man, that is great, and the customizable thing is great because, you know, everybody's got different needs, right? Some people are just tackling these big, huge projects, and they got a lot of tools, and some people are, you know, pretty basic with it. So either way, there's a system it looks like for you.
Yeah, exactly. Customize it to whatever your needs are. Again, a lot of people start out with the 3-stack, but you know what? A lot of people may just need the rolling toolbox, right? They may just need the big one, just to put maybe some of their power tools or something. But again, plenty of options for you out there. So if you're online, check it out, kleintools.com/modbox. You can build your own system, play around with our builder online, and customize your system just for you.
Thanks, man. What else you got today for us?
So one of the other things also, which we talk about, which is great for trade professionals and homeowners as well, are insulated tools, right?
Oh,
so
man.
Obviously, Klein Tools is a brand that is known and used by electricians. And obviously, electricians, they always make sure the power is off and that they're 100% safe before working on anything. But a homeowner, again, we want you to turn the power off, call an electrician. But if you have to do something, you're not sure if the power's off, we highly recommend you use insulated tools. So Klein Tools has a full range of insulated tools that for years were really priced very high, and people were like, you know what? It's out of my price range. I don't need them. But now we've got a great new lineup of insulated tools that are priced right just for the homeowner. And you can find them at a variety of different places. Go on to kleintools.com, check out insulated tools. We've got a variety of them here. All of these tools are rated to 1,000 volts. So if you're working on something around the house and you're not sure if the power's off or if you hit the right breaker, we really recommend you use these insulated tools. We test each of these tools up to 10,000 volts. But again, they are rated by all the rating bodies up to 1,000 volts to make sure that if you're working on something, you stay safe. We don't want any injuries out there. Again, we always recommend turn off the power, but if perhaps you're not sure, make sure you're working with a nice pair of insulated tools. We've got plenty of hand tools out there. We've got pliers, wire strippers, diagonals. We've got plenty of those. We've also got a lot of great tools here we are, a lot of great insulated drivers as well.
Oh,
so again,
nice.
This is our 8-piece, our interchangeable multi-bit driver there. Again, each of these is insulated here, comes in a nice roll pouch. Again, you can throw it right in your backpack or wherever your tools are to stay safe. So again, we really recommend you buy yourself some Klein Tools 1,000 volt rated insulated tools.
Well, that PPE and all that other stuff is just super important when you're working on projects because I tell you what, I've seen even professionals, things go badly on job sites, and guys that do this every single day, and the ladies out there knocking it out. It's just really important for everybody out there to just take a moment and do it right.
Yeah, PPE is critical, right? So when we're on job sites every day, we see, you know, everybody, all the trade professionals take the utmost care, and there's always sort of a safety guy on the job site making sure everyone's wearing their PPE. But for homeowners, again, we recommend that they take all the precautions possible and wear the right PPE. A couple things that we really recommend for people. So we got these gloves here. These are cut 1, but we have cut 1, cut 2, and cut 4 gloves. Again, a little bit higher higher rating for depending on what you're working on there. We highly recommend you wear these. These are really great, really grippy, and again, protect those digits on the job site. If perhaps you don't want something like this, we've also got just your basic leather gloves here. These are tried and true, and everybody sort of loves these things. So again, you can find these Klein Tools leather gloves online at kleintools.com. The other area that we really recommend people pay attention to, the eyes, right? You're working on something, you're cutting something there, you don't want anything to fly up in your eyes. We've got a full range of safety glasses, right? We've got your basic safety glasses here, clear frame. These will help you protect your eyes if you're working there. If you're working on some other projects, we've got some full frame ones here, right? So these are a little bit more protection here, a little bit more full frame, give you a little bit more protection around the eyes. And then lastly, if you're working with something that's got a lot of dust and a lot of debris and all those things, we call these are safety glasses with a gasket around the side there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to. There you go.
Yeah.
This gasket around the side protect all those any dust or particles from getting in your eye. Protect your eyes and make sure that when you're done your job, you're staying safe. Again, everybody can check it out. kleintools.com. Check it out under PPE. We've got a full line of safety products.
Greg Palese, thanks for coming on today, man. This is great stuff. Can't wait till next time.
Great. Thank you for having us, and everyone take care and stay safe.